हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक है इंडियन हिस्ट्री, जिसके हम टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs को थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु वाज द फर्स्ट ग्रामेरियन ऑफ संस्कृत लैंग्वेज? एंड द आंसर इज पाणिनि। Second question, who is the author of Panchtantra? And the answer is Vishnu Sharma. Third question, where did Lord Buddha take his last breath? And the answer is Kushinagar. Fourth question, who was the ruler who killed his father Bimbisar to sit on the throne? And the answer is Ajashatru. Fifth question, after the Maurya dynasty, which dynasty ruled over Magad? And the answer is Sung. Sixth question, Dash is known as Light of Asia. And the answer is Mahatma Buddha. Seventh question, the word Tirthankars is related to which religion? And the answer is Jainism. Eighth question, which of the following is the sacred text of the Buddhism? And the answer is Tripitaka. Ninth question, to which dynasty does Buddha belong? And the answer is Shakya. 10th question, which ruler established Vikramshila University, famous for Buddhist followers? And the answer is Dharmapal. 11th question, Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought in the year? And the answer is 1576. 12th question, who shifted the capital of the Mughal Empire from Agra to Delhi? And the answer is Shah Jahan. 13th question, where is Babur's body buried as per his wish? And the answer is Kabul. 14th question, which was the second capital of Akbar? And the answer is Fatehpur Sikri. 15th question, Krishna Dev Rai was a contemporary of whom? And the answer is Babur. 16th question, Jawaharlal Nehru addressed the parliament on the midnight of August 15, 1947. After him, who among the following was the speaker after him? And the answer is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. 17th question, who was the first Indian to join the Viceroy's Executive Council? And the answer is Satyendra Prasad Sinha. 18th question, Zamindari system was started by whom in 1793? And the answer is Cornwallis. 19th question, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also known as the Amritsar massacre, took place at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, Punjab. And the answer is 13th April 1919. 20th question, who among the following translated the Bhagavad Gita into English for the first time? And the answer is Charles Wilkins. 21st question, who among the following was the last Governor General of Bengal? And the answer is William Bentinck? 22nd question. In which year was Gandhiji first arrested during Satyagrah? And the answer is 1908. 23rd question. Who is the first Indian selected in civil service? And the answer is Satyendranath Tagore. 24th question. In which year was the first train operated in India? And the answer is 1853. 25th question. The Desire of Sarfaroshi is Now in Our Hearts was written by? And the answer is Ram Prasad Bismil. 26th question. Which one of the following ancient towns is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelizing water into connected reservoirs? And the answer is Dholavira. 27th question. Who among the following was associated as secretary with Hindu Female School, which later came to be known as Bethune Female School? And the answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. 28th question. Who among the following Mughal emperors shifted emphasis from illustrated manuscripts to album and individual portrait? And the answer is Jahangir. 29th question. In the Federation established by the Government of India Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to the? And the answer is Governor General. And the last 30th question. In 1920, which of the following changed its name to Swaraj Sabha? And the answer is All India Home Rule League. तो ये थे इंडियन हिस्ट्री के टॉप 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग फॉरेन ट्रैवलर्स विजिटेड इंडिया फर्स्ट। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।